Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Here are some of the beautiful and trending console tables you want to see in your house this coming year. These are beautiful console tables made from materials ranging from glass tables, wood, metal, aluminium, and so on. When somebody is coming into your house, a console table is one of the things that makes the eyes and attracts on the hallway or in your city room, that makes it look elegant and beautiful. Stay tuned, guys, to see some of the beautiful pieces made of wood and other materials that you want to see when you come into an apartment. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and put on your notification button. Console tables are of different types, and they are made from different materials and are lovely, where you keep your decoration pieces, your ornaments, and even some of your lamp and lightings, or even your wall frames, and sometimes your personal accessories and gadgets, and even candle holders and so on. It's something you want to have a piece in your home. Have a nice day watching. Thank you.